Hi friends, so today is May 11th, which is National Eat What You Want Day. So here's a video Mahasin and I made a few weeks ago baking chocolate chip cookies. So enjoy!
Friends, so tonight we're making some chocolate chip cookies. We're here, and Dustin, can you tell us what you're about to do?
Yeah, we've got all the ingredients. We've got the brown sugar, vanilla extract, and butter in there, and we're going to get ready to mix all this stuff up. So we've got a flour over here that we'll add gradually after this is all creamy. It smells good. That brown sugar always smells good.
So Dustin, when's the last time you made chocolate chip cookies? How long has it been?
Probably since 2014, maybe 6 years. And I made it 1 year for Christmas. Yeah. So this looks pretty creamy.
And the other mixture is the flour.
The flour, because it says once it's creamy, we're going to add eggs one at a time. 2 eggs, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 2 large eggs.
Like this. Second egg. Wow, that's looking good in there now.
What's that attachment?
Just kind of like pour the other mixture in there. Got all the flour mixture done. Now we're going to add in the chocolate chips. Perfect. There's 2 cups.
You're going to steal
Yes,
one?
me too.
Oh, it's so yummy.
Like to lick this. When my mom was done doing all this stuff when she was baking.
Except the mixers were different. They had the 2.
Oh yeah.
The tongues, and you were just like get your tongues.
They're like popsicles.
Yeah, so good. And you're just kind of like bend your tongue around.
Especially when she made brownies.
Oh.
All the chocolate on there.
Yeah, so yummy.
Okay, so this is going to be a nut-free one. No nuts.
It's super creamy, huh?
It is, yeah.
These are going to be big cookies. You're not adding too much. Like, oh, okay, that's all right. Okay.
All right. All right, there's our first batch. We're going to see what these look like.
I'm so tempted to just like...
Oh, I know.
This whole thing.
Oh. All right, do you want to put them in the oven?
Of course. Top up?
Yep, top one there. All right. We will see everybody in 12 minutes.
So what do you have there?
So this is something I got at Costco because I know it's not good to eat raw eggs.
Yeah.
This is Eat Pastry. I get it at Costco. It's vegan.
It's refrigerated?
Refrigerated.
Not in the freezer. Right?
And you can totally eat it raw because it has no eggs in it. So, and it tastes, it's got pretty much all the same ingredients. That it's got wheat flour.
It looks identical.
yeah, really. They look
the
the same. And yeah, you can just take a scoop of it.
I tasted it. It's really good.
And then it's got the brown sugar. It's like got all that granulars that really is really good.
It does, yeah. And it says you can bake it? Is that right?
Well, bake it the same way.
Have you tried to bake it?
Well, yeah. Maybe one of these batches we'll put a couple on there.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, let's do that.
Then we can compare it.
Okay. This is why the baking aisle is empty.
Yes. There's no flour anywhere. Luckily, I still have flour
Yeah.
in my house. Otherwise, we wouldn't be doing this right now.
I tried to put it in.
Yeah, now we always get to the end of the batter, and you always get like the big cookies. You know, how many more cookies we make regular size before we just say, let's just make one big cookie.
One big cookie. Okay. I think I have to fill it with the spoon. Oh, there's some.
I know, it's so tempting just to eat.
I just wanna.
Alright, I think we're ready for one big cookie.
One big cookie?
Yeah.
Just scoop all of it?
Yeah, you may just need to just ball it up in your hand, just get as much as you can.
Okay. Thanks. Is there more? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
I just want to.
Oh, I know. Just want to eat that right there.
More? Oh, there's more. Cool.
There's a like chocolate right there.
I'm trying to get it.
Oh, there's one on the back of the spatula. There's a chocolate chip. Don't miss that one.
Good eye.
Yeah.
The sides, I think that's. Oh, it's coming off.
Oh. Right.
Just gonna make one chunk.
And there's some inside the.
I know. I couldn't
scooper.
get to it. I couldn't get to it. You could try.
No, you can't. That's right.
No, here. He's gonna have to go in the middle.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Oh no. All right.
I'll go inside. Here.
Last one. All right. We are ready. All right. So we are going to try the vegan cookies.
Take half. I'll take two.
Yeah. It's good. Not as sweet though, right?
Not as sweet. Yeah, not as sweet, but it's still good. Very
Oh
good.
yeah. Yeah, really. I mean, the only difference is no eggs, so it has the same exact consistency.
It's got a little bit more like butter, I think.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more.
Yeah. A little more butter. Alright, we're taking the last batch out, including the big cookie. Oh, the big cookie looks like it's probably got all the chocolate chips inside of it, so don't let the outside fool you. Looking at the cookies, I know we don't have 60 cookies, so
No.
our scooper made it a little bit bigger, which is good. We don't want to be cooking all night. We want 2 more hours. The cookies with milk chocolate morsels, not the semi-sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Even look at the bottom. That looks really good. You know?
Wow.
Let me make one.
You're all done. Smells amazing.
If you like our videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you next time. Thanks.